Have you ever wondered what makes up every living organism on this planet, from the smallest microbe to the largest whale? The answer is a marvel of nature known as the cell. Cells are the building blocks of life, the smallest unit with the capacity to live and reproduce. This fascinating world of cells was unveiled to us in the year 1665 when an English scientist named Robert Hooke first observed a cell under a microscope. It was a groundbreaking moment that opened the door to a whole new realm of understanding. As we journeyed further into the microscopic world, two renowned scientists, Matthias Schleiden and Theodor Schwann, proposed the cell theory in the 19th century. They stated that all organisms are composed of one or more cells, and that the cell is the fundamental unit of life. This revolutionary discovery set the stage for our understanding of life as we know it. So, what is this cell theory that revolutionized our understanding of life? Well, it's a fundamental principle that has three key tenets. Firstly, all living things, from the tiniest microorganism to the largest whale, are composed of cells. This means that if it's alive, it's got cells. Secondly, the cell is the basic unit of life. Think of them as the building blocks that make up all living things. Thirdly, and perhaps most importantly, cells arise from pre-existing cells. This means that cells don't just pop into existence. Instead, every cell you see today is the product of a long lineage of cells that date back billions of years. These principles have shaped the field of modern biology and continue to guide research today. They've helped us understand everything from how diseases spread to how life evolved on Earth. The cell theory forms the foundation of our understanding of life and its complexities. Now that we understand the basics, let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of cells. Life as we know it is primarily categorized into two types based on the cell structure: prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Prokaryotic cells, often found in bacteria and archaea, are the simpler of the two. They lack a defined nucleus and other specialized structures, or organelles, that are enclosed within membranes. Their DNA floats freely within the cell in a region known as the nucleoid. On the flip side, we have eukaryotic cells. These cells, which make up organisms like plants, animals and fungi, are more complex. Eukaryotic cells house a well-defined nucleus that contains the cell's DNA. But the nucleus is just the beginning. Eukaryotic cells boast a variety of organelles, each with a unique role in the cell's survival and function. Let's look at a few key players. The nucleus, often described as the control center of the cell, safeguards the cell's genetic information. It directs all cellular activities by controlling the synthesis of proteins, which are the building blocks of the cell and the body. Then we have the mitochondria, often dubbed as the powerhouses of the cell. These organelles are responsible for generating most of the cell's supply of adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, the main source of energy for cellular reactions. Lastly, consider the lysosomes, sometimes referred to as the suicide bags of the cell. These organelles contain enzymes that break down waste materials and cellular debris. They play a critical role in keeping the cell clean and free from harmful substances. These unique structures and more all work in harmony within a cell, each contributing to the cell's overall function and survival. Whether it's the simplest bacteria or the most complex human neuron, each cell is a masterpiece of biological engineering. Despite their microscopic size, cells are complex structures that perform a myriad of functions essential for life. So, we've journeyed from the discovery of cells to understanding their structure and function. We've delved into the origins of cytology, from the earliest observations to the development of the cell theory, a groundbreaking concept that revolutionized our understanding of life. We've explored the fascinating world of cells, from the smallest in existence, the PPLO, to the mighty giants that form some of the largest organisms on Earth. We've also unraveled the intricate structures of eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells, appreciating their unique characteristics and marveling at their remarkable abilities. We've peeked into the powerhouses of cells, the mitochondria and the self-destruct mechanisms, the lysosomes. Beyond that, we've distinguished between plant and animal cells, highlighting their unique features and roles. Every single organ, every creature, every leaf and twig you see is a bustling city of cells, and you're now privy to their secrets. Next time you look at any living thing, remember, it's a bustling city of cells, each playing a crucial role in the miracle of life.